Hey, so we've just received this in BRM HQ. It's the new 10C Pro from Sena. So if you don't know anything about Sena, they've been doing Bluetooth helmet-to-helmet intercoms for quite a few years now. They've had the 10C for the last couple of years. This is a new version, 10C Pros. What is it? Well, they've got a camera and a Bluetooth intercom linked together. So pretty nifty. Let's have a look what's inside. Difference between the Pro and the 10C is it's 4.1 Bluetooth. So better Bluetooth and also higher resolution camera on the front of it. So it will do 2K at 30 frames a second. It will do 1080p at 60 frames a second. So behind the rubber thing there is your camera. At the end there you can adjust the angle and everything of that. That's the Sena 10C Pro unit. Nice and small, nice and compact. Anyone who's had anything to do with Sena before will be pretty familiar with it. Got the jog dial there, which you can adjust your volume, various bits and pieces, connect your phone, and do various bits with a button on the back. And the one on the top is the important one. That's your camera button. So you hold it down, activates the camera, and a little voice in the headphones tells you the camera's activated. Hit it again, tells you it's recording. Hit it again, tells you stop. So nice and simple. $5.99 this unit is worth here in New Zealand, and it's in stores now, so it's pretty trick. In the box with it you get instructions, but to be honest, hop onto the Sena website. It's got loads of videos, loads of things about how to set it up. You charge it. You can either, you got a charger there that you can run off your PowerPoint on your bike, or we've got a USB charger as well. And then this thing here, we've got various different foam pads and what have you that deal with wind noise. Ones that go onto the speakers that will make it more comfortable. Sticky pads to stick the speakers in your helmet. You've got two microphones. So you've got a cable microphone if you just run a full face helmet, so you just stick that in the front of your full face helmet. We've got a boom microphone as well. So you've got an open face, you've got a flip front, you'll want to use the boom. So it's got everything that you need. Two ways of connecting it to your helmet. Sits nice and snug. That's your main unit, and the normal way is you just undo a couple of bolts, slide it up the inside, tighten it up, the unit then just clips on. But if you can't do that with your helmet, it's also got a 3M sticky pad as well, so you can stick it to the outside of the helmet, fit the unit on, and happy days. So we're going to head out here, we're going to fit it to a helmet, go and do some videoing, see what this 10C Pro is really like. Okay, so I've got my Shoei Xspirit 3 here, which I'm going to fit the Sena 10C to, and as you can see already, I've got the mounting plate in place. So all it took, a couple of Allen key bolts there. The Allen key is actually supplied, so it can be any easier. Slide it up the inside, tighten it up. As I say, some helmets it's quite tight there, so you might need to use a sticky pad. You can then attach it to the outside, but this is nice and simple. Neat bit here, you can undo that and change the angle, because obviously you've got a video on your 10C, you need to be able to angle it up and down. Right, so next we've got the two microphones, which have actually put the foam comfort pads on. They also give you plenty of sticky bits as well, so you can stick the sticky bits inside the earpiece of your helmet, which those then attach to. And then finally, you've got the sticky bit for the microphone at the front. So I'm going to fit this 10C into this helmet. Okay, done. So, nice and easy. Connect the plug up here. And this is quite nice because the plug actually locks into place. And there we have it. One 10C fitted onto our Shoei Xspirit 3. Let's go and take a look at what the video is like.
So I'm over in Australia now. I've taken the Sena 10C, fitted it to my Shoei Xspirit. And hopefully, as you can see, we're doing 102 kilometres an hour on an Australian motorway, and I reckon this audio must be pretty good. We've had a bit of a play around with it, had adjusted the settings. I've set the camera up using the iPhone app, which is really quick and simple to use. You simply connect to the 10C's Wi-Fi signal, and there is instructions that come up on the app showing you how to do it. So it's real nice and easy and real fast when you need to get the thing set up in a hurry. And I was actually comparing the audio of this one to another guy on its launch who had a different make of video camera, and he said to me, the one thing you can't do, I cannot get rid of wind noise. So as I say, we're doing here 100 kilometers an hour, and I reckon this audio is pretty good. So I'm going to carry on with the rest of this MV Augusta launch, and we'll get a bit of video commentary going and see how the 10C goes.